Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you about a new software which is called Tux Paint. My teacher taught me at my school. That's why I downloaded and tried. It's very nice freehand drawing software, and we'll do it with Heat Plus and XLR8 to paint characters. Yay! So let's do it! So, as you can see my screen, so now I'm gonna open Tux Paint. Okay, just wait, I'm just opening Tux Paint. Here, I'm gonna open window, but full screen, never do that. It just covers the whole screen and you can't even see the side boxes like selector, sub-selector box. So I'll open window. So look, it's so nice. And look, this is its mascot. Look here, it's its mascot. I did it in the last painting, and these are here. This is the toolbox. So this is the toolbox. In my left hand side there is a toolbox right here, and in my right hand side there's a sub-selector box, and then you can select anything. So there's option of stamps. You can download these types of stamps. Look, I've done these stamps everywhere. So nice, no? And we have lines, and we have shapes. Look, there are so many things. Text, label, fill. As you know, we can fill everything here. And magic tool. This is the interesting part. You can blind. I can show you. We have a undo tool here also. Look, it's like a jail. If you want to make a jail picture, this is a perfect tool. So I'll undo that. And then we have blocks which turns your Yes, I was right. It turns your picture into like block. It gives a blocky effect. And we have also blur. It can blur things. Look, this was clear, now it's blur. Look, this whole area. Look, that he can do that like that. And we have also two break effects, small break and big break. We have calligraphy. We can draw a calligraphy in it. There's a cartoon. We can turn this whole picture into a cartoon. We have chalk. It gives a chalking effect. Look, it like chalks everything. Look, I'll show you here. Look, like chalk. Look, that was awesome, no? We have a white. Okay. Oh, I didn't really know that effect. I've not revised it, so. And we have a color. Ooh, look at that. We can shift every color in here. So funny, no? This Tux Paint is very. And there's a config and look what you can do. Oh, that was awesome. We can scribble everywhere. That's alright. It was just insane. You have a darken effect. You can darken an area of your. You can darken an area. If like you want to darken an area, you can do that. That's so nice. We have discretion. Look at that. What you can do with that effect. It's like chalk, yeah? It's almost like chalk. Yeah? And we have a drip effect. You will love that. Look. We can drip this rainbow into river. Oh, look, so much nice effect. Everything is just dripping. And we have edges. Look at that. You can turn everything in white again. And then emboss. Look at that. Oh, I should have put in that in my image firstly. Look at that emboss. Wow, it's looking like a nighttime rainbow. And it's looking very nice effect. Wow. Look at that. So nice effect. What was that and what is this? Look at that. One and do its back. Oh, fishy eye. Look at that effect. Wow. That's so... If you're doing a rocky picture, this is the best. This is the best. For rocky picture flip. Look. Upside down. Upside down. It's just upside down. If you want to make an upside down picture, you must try this software and this effect. There's so many. You just and we have a real rainbow effect which I put it here. Look, it's like this. Now these are some more tools. Undo, eraser tool, you can erase everything. We have a new file tool. And you don't even have to save a file name for this softwares. But you will this picture, you don't have to even get file names. So nice. And we have an open tool. You want to open a drawing and make it change, you can do that. We have a save tool. We can print it also. And we have a quit tool. We can exit. So I'll show you a new file. Look, we have so many colors. And look, here are the starter images. These are called the starter. I did this one. You see the castle where my mouse pointer is just circling. That I did. And we have some more like eagle. We have this. I just go to this white. And I open that. You can look, and we have so many. You can do anything in this. Like I'll go to lines, then I'll look. That's looking like a scribble. That's looking like a script. But I'll show you the best effect. One second. I'll just undo that off. Or just erase. You have this lines tool in lines. That's so awesome, huh? That was so awesome. I go into magic. There's so many. Oh, the string edges. Look at that. You can do any color. You can get these string edges. Look. I'm just doing anything. Look at that. So looking cool. Look at that. Looking so cool, huh? Oh, looking like diamonds. Small to big. This is looking like small to big. I'm also trying to make this pattern. Look at that. Look at that. So awesome effect. And once again, I'm showing. In the next, I'm just showing you the basics here. I'm just showing the basics. And look, this is a wiping effect. I'm just showing you the basics here. In the next video, I'll show you more things. But I'll show you some more things. It's like this snowball. Oh, sorry. I have to fill the color. And now this is what. Look. It's like snow. If you want to do a snow effect, you can do this. Oh, look at that. 1 second. I don't see it correctly. So, yeah. If you want to make a boomerang, this is the perfect thing. String V. Or you want to make a flying high kite. There is the perfect. And you see in the bottom left, here where my mouse is hovering, this is called the mascot of Tux Paint. Now I'll show you, look, I can type anything here, like hello. Like hello world, and I can increase my size and decrease. Look, so small. Look, I can do it so big, so small. Look, I've written it. I can select any font. I love this. Look, hello world, so nice. But this is also nice. I think this one is the best. So we have done the basics here. And look, we have one more. A splatter. If you want to make a splatter ending and even cards, this is best. If you want to make cards, if you want to make birthday cards, like if you want to make some nice, if you want to design, you can do that. So this is a very nice software. Seriously, it's a very, and you can even do with that splat effect bordering, like stylish bordering like this. You can do even like this, and you can even write with it. So it is very nice software for painting. So hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Like I've written SL means subscribe and like. Bye guys.